Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Hola Opulence. Today I got another wonderful unboxing for you guys as usual. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and comment in the section below. That is much appreciated. So today I've got another wonderful unboxing for you guys. You already know what this is. It is a Yeezy. So we're going to be talking about the Yeezy 350 today, specifically the Yeezy 350 Bone, and some people know it as the Oat. So this is a wonderful summer color that I am particularly looking forward to because we are in summer. So without further ado, let's get straight into the unboxing. All right, so this is the box. As you can see, it says 350 right there and Boost on the side, and on this side that is the sizing there, but we'll get back to that. And here it just says Yeezy 350, and on the bottom it says made by Adidas right there. And then the other side is the sizing details. I wear that in a 10.5 because usually Yeezys run slightly snug, slightly small, whichever way you want to put it. And this particular pair actually came all the way from Europe. So this is the European version, like the European release. It's the same thing, but it came from Europe. So I'll tell you more about it once we take it out of the box and we can view exactly what is in there. Okay, so let's open this. All right, there we go. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. So it comes like that, wrapped. And as you can see, if you take this off, you can see the Yeezy right there, 350 Bone with the Boost. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. All right, you can see that right there. Let's see if there's anything else in there. There is no extra laces in here. It's just tissue paper that's left in there. So I'm gonna put the shoe right here and I'll put the box to the side. Okay. All right. So there we go. This is the Yeezy 350 Boost in the Bone colorway, which to me translates as a triple white. So this pair I did get, like I said earlier, I did get from Europe, all the way from Europe. Specifically, it is a company called Louis Aroma. All right, so that's the tag right there, just in case you're interested. Hold on. They actually that's the tag right there. All right, if you need to pause it so you can check them out. I think this is their authentication tag as well, has the number on there, and on the tag says Louis Roma. The company is called Louis Roma, and I believe is what you would classify here as Saks Fifth or Farfetch or something like that. So yeah, in there is just in the shoe itself, it's just some tissue paper right there that comes with it. It's in there. That's just the tissue paper. Okay, so let's start with the tag. I know the tags that comes with the European version are different. I mean, it's not really different, but it's just there is an extra tag, which is this one right here. Usually if it's bought in the US, it is just this two tags right here, this first one and this other one right here. Okay, but The European version has 3 tags, which is this one, this, and this. I don't know why they do that, but it's just a thing that they do. All right, so we're gonna start with the sole as usual. The bottom is all white, as you can see, and you can see the boost visible right there. I'm gonna bring it a little closer. I can see the boost right there, you know, on both sides. Okay, and the midsole is white as well. You have more of that bone colorway, and on the upper, it's the knit is the fly knit, I like to call it, is really nice, feels good. Of course, do bear in mind that this particular bone colorway on the side, the knit on the side is transparent. This line you can see right here, it is transparent. So if you do wear, if you want to wear a color sock, so bear in mind that the color socks you're going to be wearing is going to be showing on this side right here. So yeah, it's, what can I say, it's a white Yeezy, you know, it's a white Yeezy as usual, you know. The knit is nothing too super special. It's just a normal knit. The front stitch right there, okay, and you get the back pull tab that actually made a return on this pair, because I know for a while they actually took it out on the Yeezys, but the Yeezy 350s, but this one, on this one, it made a return on this one, which is the pull tab. So, and the shoelaces, all whites. There's really nothing much to say about it. It's a triple white Yeezy. You can't go wrong with a triple white Yeezy. So yeah, on the front here, on the sole, it says Adidas right there. I don't know if you can see it, you know. So, and on the heel, it says Boost right there. Okay, yeah. So, and on the inside, so the sock liner, I'm gonna, hold on, let me see. On this sock liner, you just have the, let me take this out and let me see. So the sock liner on this one just says Yeezy with that sign, which is like the world sign. I think it's like a symbol of recycling or something like that. I'm not sure. Don't take my word for it. So yeah, and on the other side, it just shows the Adidas logo right there. If you, all right, let me get a little closer. Yep, right there, the Adidas logo. That's it. As usual, I'm gonna be doing a on-feet for you guys and the showcasing, so you guys see what it looks like on feet. In the future, I'm sure I'm gonna be putting some outfits together for it, just to show you guys how you can style it, because it's summer. So yeah, that is about it. If you guys are new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and comment in the section below. Guys, tell me what you guys think about this pair. If you like it, if you don't like it, if you have any other questions about it, just let me know, and I always reply the comments. Okay, thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. Everyone have a wonderful day. All the opulence out.